ओम 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 नमः श्रीयतिराजाय विवेकानन्दसूरये सच्चित्सुखस्वरूपाय स्वामिने तापहरिणे वीर सेनापति विवेकानंद आज पुकारे हैं आओ रे उनके दिल की सुन पुकार महारथी कई आए रे वीर सेनापति आत्मत्याग के अग्नि मंत्र से हुए हैं प्रेरित नई दिशाओं ने आत्मत्याग के अग्नि मंत्र से हुए हैं प्रेरित नई दिशाओं ने त्याग कर सब सुख धारा के त्याग कर सब सुख धारा के दुष्ट शक्ति का नाश करो रे वीर सेनापति वीर सेनापति विवेकानंद आज पुकारे हैं आओ रे उनके दिल की सुन पुकार महारथी कई आए रे वीर सेनापति द्वंद्व भोग कोलाहल लाया जगत में सिर्फ हलाहल बुझाने के लिए वही दावानल प्रेम धारा उन्होंने ले आया है स्वार्थ द्वंद्व भोग कोलाहल लाया जगत में सिर्फ हलाहल बुझाने के लिए वही दावानल प्रेम धारा उन्होंने ले आया है हे प्रभु तेरे चरण दास हम हे प्रभु तेरे चरण दास हम हे प्रभु तेरे चरण दास हम लेकर आई है जन्मों की प्यास हम हे प्रभु तेरे चरण दास हम स्वामी जी स्वामी जी स्वामी जी। हे प्रभु तेरे चरण दास हम, लेकर आई है जन्मों की प्यास हम। हे प्रभु तेरे चरण दास हम, लेकर आई है जन्मों की प्यास हम। तन मन धन कर तुमको अर्पित, तन मन धन कर तुमको अर्पित। तेरे आशीष हम पाने को आए रे, तेरे आशीष हम पाने को आए रे, तेरे आशीष हम पाने को आए रे। वीर सेनापति, वीर सेनापति विवेकानंद आज पुकारे हैं, आओ रे उनके दिल की सुन पुकार। महारथी कई आए रे वीर सेनापति, वीर सेनापति, वीर सेनापति। जी हम युवा दल तुम्हारा आशीष तुम्हारा वाणी करेंगे संबल। हे स्वामी जी हम युवा दल तुम्हारा आशीष तुम्हारा वाणी करेंगे संबल। तुम्हारा आशीष साथ में लिए शपथ लेंगे, मातृभूमि हित के लिए जीवन सौंपेंगे। तुम्हारा आशीष साथ में लिए शपथ लेंगे, मातृभूमि हित के लिए जीवन सौंपेंगे। इसलिए हम तुम्हें नौमी तुम्हारा दोनों चरण चूमी। माताएंगे इस धरणी तम, माताएंगे इस धरणी तल। तुम्हारा आशीष तुम्हारा वाणी करेंगे संबल। हे स्वामी जी हम युवा दल तुम्हारा आशीष तुम्हारा वाणी करेंगे संबल। हमारा इष्ट हो तुम ही हमारा गुरु हो, तुम हमारा इष्ट हो तुम ही हमारा गुरु हो। तुम ही हमारा प्रकाश हो, तुम ही हमारा लक्ष्य हो। तुम ही हमारा इष्ट हो तुम ही हमारा गुरु हो। तुम ही हमारा प्रकाश हो, तुम ही हमारा लक्ष्य हो। इसलिए हम तुम्हें नौमी तुम्हारा दोनों चरण चूमी। माताएंगे इस धरणी तल, माताएंगे इस धरणी तल। तुम्हारा आशीष तुम्हारा वाणी करेंगे संबल। हे स्वामी जी हम युवा दल तुम्हारा आशीष तुम्हारा वाणी करेंगे संबल। तुम्हारा आशीष साथ में लिए शपथ लेंगे, मातृभूमि हित के लिए जीवन सौंपेंगे। तुम्हारा आशीष साथ में लिए शपथ लेंगे, मातृभूमि हित के लिए जीवन सौंपेंगे। इसलिए हम तुम्हें नौमी तुम्हारा दोनों चरण चूमी। माताएंगे इस धरणी तल, माताएंगे इस धरणी तल। तुम्हारा आशीष तुम्हारा वाणी करेंगे संबल। हे स्वामी जी हम युवा दल तुम्हारा आशीष तुम्हारा वाणी करेंगे संबल। हे स्वामी जी हम युवा दल, तुम्हारा आशीष तुम्हारा वाणी करेंगे संबल। तुम्हारा आशीष तुम्हारा वाणी करेंगे संबल। तुम्हारा आशीष तुम्हारा वाणी करेंगे संबल।
A very good morning to all of you. Revered Swami Jnananand Ji, Adhyaksha of the Ramakrishna Math, Hyderabad. Swami Bodhamaya Anand Ji, Director, Vivekananda Institute of Human Excellence. Other Swamijis, and most importantly, the strength of our nation, my dear students, youth, and friends, and my friends from the media. Warm welcome to all of you to this wonderful convention, and I'm glad to be a part of it. In fact, very, very glad to be amidst all of you in this wonderful environment of wonderful confines of the Ramakrishna Math, Hyderabad. It's a matter of great joy for me to see a large gathering of the youth here today. I was just told that youth from about 13 different states are participating in the convention today. I think it's a wonderful and for a noble cause here. We have youth from different states, as I had just mentioned, for this 3-day national level youth convention. The main objective of the youth convention, I'm also told, is to discuss several issues connected with the youth and reinforce them with patriotism, national development spirit, and other vital concepts on the lines of the teachings of the great patriotic monk, Swami Vivekananda Ji. Revered Swamijis and eminent speakers would obviously motivate you on many vital concepts like education, your role in rebuilding India, challenges before women, Swamiji's solutions for problems to India, etc. I'm happy that the convention is being held in the historic city of Hyderabad, which is experiencing a new government committed to total development of youth, state, and the nation. It is here at Hyderabad that Swami Vivekananda made his first public speech more than 120 years ago in February 1893, and inspired people here with the spirit of patriotism and service. Secondly, we have the great center of Ramakrishna Math at Hyderabad, doing yeoman service not only for the spiritual guidance of people, but also for giving them value-based education and training. We feel happy that the Hyderabad Math is an extension of the Ramakrishna Math and vision founded by Swami Vivekananda and is one of the best in the country today. For the last 3 years, the nation has been celebrating the 150th birthday celebrations of Swami Vivekananda in a reverberating tone. The greatest contribution of Swami Vivekananda to mankind is to show that everyone, the great power that one has within, and the need to manifest it for the benefit of the entire humanity. Had the world sincerely followed the teachings of Swami Vivekananda, it would have been not like what it is today, with nations and people fighting among themselves in the names of religion, politics, and competition. Swami Vivekananda desired and said that India would lead the world in all aspects of spiritual and secular development of the mankind. He reposed his greatest faith and confidence in the youth and younger generation of India to take up this task. Our youth are leading the world today, with many of them doing extremely well in countries like America, Britain, and other nations in the field of information technology, medicine, and management. This has been indicated by the Britannia Encyclopedia, which said that the modern age of computer sciences is mainly led by the Indian software engineers, and even the President of the United States of America, Barack Obama, also acknowledged this. Statistics show that besides large numbers in different frontline organizations, 38% of doctors and 34% of software professionals in the USA are from India. In our India, the youth constitute highest percentage in the national population, whereas in most other countries, those above 40 constitute the majority of the population. As the world gets older, India is getting younger by the day. By 2050, India's population will have the highest percentage of youth for any country in this out of any country in this country. So, our youth forum at this point, youth form the most potential segment of the human resource asset with ability to be the main catalyst for social change and economic progress. They've been playing a great role in all fields of industry, science, research organizations, banking institutions, defense, and other establishments. Our youth are showing their dynamism and achieving excellent results. However, we are also coming across cases of student indiscipline, increase in crime and violence, and antisocial activities on the rise as well, especially we are concerned, we are worried about the overall situation of women's safety in the country as well. I appeal to the youth to focus mainly on development of personal character. Besides looking for their own development, I think the youth should also remember that it should always go hand in hand with the national development as well. Swami Vivekananda said that what we need is a combination of science and spirituality to take this country forward. Science for development and spirituality for peace. If we have only science and technology without a moral or spiritual culture, people become machines and social evils become common. Without values, we cannot have harmony and peace. In India, we have a paradoxical picture of the youth power. On the one side, Education India has become more information-oriented, not helping the youth in imbibing great virtues that make them and the nation great. To attain these virtues, Swami Vivekananda is the best role model for the youth, and let us all get charged with enthusiasm through these conventions and rededicate ourselves to serve the nation by putting into practice what Swamiji had said. Swami Vivekananda gave his heart and soul to the youth. He said, "My faith is in the younger generation, the modern generation. Out of them will come my workers. They will work out the whole problem like lions." Swamiji also said that strength is life and weakness is death. This is the occasion where we reassert the message of Swami Vivekananda, imbibe his spirit, become strong and work for fulfillment of our great national ideals. Today, India needs, more than anything else, the reorganization of the national youth power in all fields of education, employment, and national life for making the development programs successful and for transforming India into a developed nation. As the Minister for Information Technology and Panchayat Raj, I am happy to announce that our government of Telangana is committed to support and help the youth in every aspect. We are fully committed to youth empowerment and also women empowerment. I thank the Swamijis of Ramakrishna Math for organizing this wonderful event in such a grand way and for inviting me to participate in this wonderful program. Once again, I hope you all enjoy your stay in Hyderabad for the next 3 days, and I hope you will rededicate yourself to nation building in the lines of what Swami Vivekananda has preached. Wonderful day to all of you, and thank you very much.